बेटा थोड़ा सा बगल हो जाओ।
नहीं प्लीज सर, आई जस्ट
कुछ नहीं है उसमें, सिंपल सवाल उठता है।
ओके।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ईच एंड एवरीवन, वेलकम टू खेटा पार्क। मेरे चैनल में एक मैडम है, मैं भी टीचर, ये भी टीचर है ना, और एक अरे कोई बात है ना, टीचर अभिनय, आई अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एवरीबडी इज टीचर, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एवरी इज पंडित जी मीन्स यू गॉट सम या। अब यहाँ पे सबसे पहले अपना नाम आप बता दीजिए।
दिस इज एरिका नागपाल।
Erika Nagpal, very nice meeting you. I did not see. Yeah.
Same here.
And about me, I'm Prakash Chandra Jha.
Okay.
By profession, I had been PGT English 35 years. Lecturer, I told you. Besides that, I'm homeopathy doctor too. We don't share. And this I did in course of education or doing like that.
Okay.
And at the verge of retirement, I had been actually made principal like that. अच्छा, वहाँ से अब यहाँ पे पार्टली हिंदी पार्टली इंग्लिश मैं इसलिए लेता हूँ कि उसका रीज़न है कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं पढ़े वाले भी हैं, नहीं पढ़े वाले भी हैं। अब यहाँ पे एक सवाल उठता है, शिक्षा और विद्या, यहाँ पे लोग झूल रहे हैं।
हाँ जी,
झूल रहे हैं ना। वन इज लर्निंग एंड अनदर इज एजुकेशन। ए पर्सन इज मास्टर डिग्री, ही हैज गॉट ए काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से ईगो, व्हाट कैन आई डू, नो आई वोंट डू लाइक दैट। A person has got learning, he simply knows the reality of life, है ना।
I think यहाँ पर जो है ना dignity of work,
हाँ dignity of work should be there, है ना। या
मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोग ना बच्चे को ये नहीं सिखाते हैं कि बच्चा आप अपने जो अपना बेसिक वर्क है, यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ, यू शुड नॉट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन। और आज हम लोग बच्चों का आजकल गोटा पैसे करते हैं, नो यू हैव टू बी आईएएस ऑफिसर, यू हैव टू डू योर वर्क, आपके लिए एक मेड होगा, आपके लिए एक हेल्पर होगा, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना। So these things should be learned by childhood.
अच्छा, one thing more.
Yeah.
I see parents carrying the school bag on the shoulder and children are going like that. Are you really helping them?
No.
You are making the weak, particularly, is it not so? Or you can show you in the life.
Yeah.
You give the bag, or you just move with it.
We just can support it.
Yeah.
That is what we can do. But that is his life. So he has to decide what he has to do. What can I do is I can just show him the path. It's you who is going to decide, because no one can do anything for anyone else. I can do it for myself, no one can do it for myself. So if I'm hungry, I would going to eat myself. The same perspective I'm having for my child as well. So I can I can cook for him. I just give it to him. He is going to eat or not. That is the thing. That is a simple thing. That is a life.
Just yesterday, one of the teacher I asked, don't you see your son to be fatty one? Fatty one, I mean to say, I say many children on the road you can see actually.
I just go there.
Better let's go to sir. धन्यवाद। अच्छा, एक मिनट। He is also teacher. He is matriculate of 62. He is also interviewed, है ना। ये भी टीचर है, मैं इनको साथ में अपने से थोड़ी बात कर रहा हूँ, है ना। अच्छा, ओके, तो नियरली 5% एवरी डे आई मीट न्यू वन। अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक सवाल ये उठता है कि इन जनरल आई आस्क दिस मैन, आर यू हैप्पी विद द किड? व्हाई? Situation has undergone a change. They haven't got the time to just give the.
Let me clear one thing to you. Why he is not happy with his child?
Why? I can't say for sure.
The only thing, you have so much expectations.
Yeah.
Why expectations are there?
No need to have.
What I have done with my parents, it's me. What they are going to with me, it's their life. Why should I bother them?
Yeah.
Why should I?
Very good.
That is the only thing. I don't expect anything. I have my old age plan, my future plans. I have my own. I'm not going to bother him. I'm not going to ask him, you have to serve me, you have to take care of me. Why he? He's having his own life. Na? I'm doing my. I just want him to live for himself.
Very good.
That is the only thing I can do. He is a life. I am only the mediator who bring the life.
Very good.
So this is the thing. We should not expect anything from anyone. What I can do, I am responsible for that. I'm not responsible for anything or anyone. That is the only thing.
Expectations create frustration.
That is the only thing. I just don't go for that. कि मैंने तो आपको brief में इसीलिए बोला कि I don't expect even anything from my husband.
Very good. ये मुझे सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा, है ना। People tell I'm housewife. Why told you tell housewife? Why don't you tell housewife?
I'm a
homemaker, है ना। And one thing more is there. I suggest the person, don't tell yourself house husband, housewife, or house. Why don't you tell house friend and house friend?
I just don't bother what anyone else call me. I really don't bother about
Very
that.
good. मुझे
I'm quite happy with me what I am doing. And
अच्छा।
I'm just doing my all work for him and her. I have a daughter as well. She's only in 3rd class. She's only 7 years old, so I don't have much time for anyone else.
My wife also complained it about that minute. Complained it about that. It is because of you I did not work. हमने कहा you did not work because of the reason your children got education. Otherwise they wouldn't have got the education. Is not
Yeah,
say.
it's my personal
Yeah, yeah.
opinion. If I bring him in the life, so it's my responsibility.
Very
to
good.
The thing, I just dropped my career for them, and just I want. I'm just saying he is all my assets. So
But I
that's
do
it.
think it was you are the storehouse of everything. Your teacher, your homemaker, you are everything. You can become a guide to the very son like that, isn't it, sir? अब मैडम कुछ बातें हमारी है जैसे कि एक सवाल पूछने जाते हैं एक मिनट 9 महीने पहले का पार्क अभी के पार्क में कितना फर्क है?
Quite बहुत अच्छा है.
9
बहुत
महीना
फर्क है.
पिछले 9 महीने से मैं रोज ही साफ करता हूँ.
हाँ नहीं अब तो बहुत
देखा
अच्छा
होगा
है.
ना?
अब
अच्छा कुछ लाइन हमारे साथ बोल दीजिए, ज़्यादा नहीं.
जी.
एक ही मुद्दा एक ही नारा.
एक ही मुद्दा एक ही नारा.
पार्क सुंदर हो हमारा.
पार्क सुंदर हो.
कोई गलत नहीं है ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
हाथ
नहीं.
जोड़ करता प्रणाम.
हाथ जोड़ करता प्रणाम.
मत बनाओ पार्क को कूड़ादान.
डेफिनेटली.
ये भी ठीक है ना?
हाँ जी.
अच्छा कुछ मिनटों का श्रमदान
कुछ मिनटों का श्रमदान
ला सकता है पार्क में मुस्कान.
ला सकता है.
गलत तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, सर.
2 मिनट आपका संडे में तो साफ कर ही सकता है.
हाँ जी.
आपको जबरदस्ती नहीं
हम
कहे.
साथ साथ करते रहते हैं. कई बार पेपर रैपर उठा
हाँ,
लेते हैं और
बहुत
डस्टबिन में
बढ़िया.
डाल देते हैं, सर.
मुझे
ये
अच्छा-
हमें किसी को कहने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि इट्स आवर हमारा अपना नेटिव है. तो हस्बैंड भी पहले आते थे. आई थिंक वो मिले भी हैं कपिल नागपाल.
हो सकता है मिले होंगे, मैं रोज ही मिलता हूँ, है ना?
जी, सर.
अच्छा हो गया. सॉरी, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much.
और अच्छा